Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to insert blank underline in Microsoft Publisher. So let's start it. At first open your Publisher document. In this video I will show insert blank underline. Now select from a press, now going to the home menu option. Now for click. Then click for a paragraph setting option. Now click for a tab option. Now tab stop from position. Now I am choose from 5. Now click for a alignment from left. Now click for a leather option. Then click for a line. Select. Now click for a set. Then click for a OK. Now press from a tab option. That's it. Then you can say insert blank underline in publisher document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.